Real quick, would you like to learn how to monetize on Instagram? Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to monetize on Instagram. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. Now, these past few weeks, I've been doing YouTube videos on just making money online. Now, I never knew how to like go about like with Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube here, this media here. But the company that I'm with, the affiliate marketing company that I'm with, they actually have training on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Now I chose Instagram to pay more attention to because it was easier. I never quite initially I never grasped Facebook as well as how I grasp Instagram. So I took Instagram and I ran with it. Now within the first I'll say 90 days of having my Instagram account, I was already earning from my Instagram account. And it goes back. And guys, I'm telling you, I still have my Instagram account. You could go check my Instagram account. I'll put the link below. But guys, I can tell you this, it's the same method that I've been talking to you about implementing. It's the same method that you got to implement. It's very, very simple. You have to be consistent with your post. Your mental health have to be intact, because the time is gonna come when you get really frustrated. I'm telling you, I was there, I've been there, and I still do get frustrated sometimes, right? And you're disciplined in keeping on the path that you're going down and not getting distracted, right? So here goes. With Instagram, the algorithm changes frequently for Instagram, so you have to really be on top of your game in that sense. But as long as you post good content, right, and you study the time that your followers are online, you want to post around that time when your followers are online. So you want to post good content and have your time, the time that your followers are most active, you're posting during that time, you'll be fine. That's it. And you could get in some DM groups, which is groups that is within Instagram. Initially, when I started out, I was in DM groups. I'm currently not in DM groups. I just post and that's it. So let's start out with just opening an Instagram account that you'd like to bank on, right? So you want to find something that you're passionate about and open an Instagram account around it. Reason being, guys, you don't want to just do something that you're not passionate about, because the time is going to come when you are frustrated. I'm telling you, this is no joke. The time is going to come when you're so frustrated. And that's the reason I say start an Instagram account with something that you're passionate about. After you start that Instagram account, make sure that you put the settings to business, right? And the SEO also, which is the top of your Instagram page, it has to be covered in, like, it has to be set up in a way where Instagram will send out all that information out in the Instagram world. So say, for example, you have an account about, your account is going to be about puppies, right? Or dogs, right? So in your SEO, you're going to have to put like dog lover, dogs, and rescue, or something like that. You know what I mean? Because you got to let Instagram know what your page is about, so that they can send that information to the parties that may be interested in what you're posting on Instagram. right? So with that, you're gonna gain a lot of followers. Initially, in my first 90 days of having my Instagram account, I was already at 10K followers. And I mean, I gained 10,000 followers in 33 days or 34 days. That was it. I slacked on my Instagram account. I recently, just started posting back on my Instagram account, but due to military obligations, I had to stop for a period of time because I was doing military, business or whatnot. So I couldn't, do as I would like regarding, the posting. But once you cover the SEO, you have to post initially. So the first 21 days of opening your Instagram account, you want to post at least 6 times, guys. And yes, I know that's a lot, but you're getting Instagram used to your account because your account is pretty new, right? So you're getting Instagram used to your account. After after the first month, you can stop. Guys, when I started my account, you can even go check. I'm going to have my Instagram link down below. You can go check. When I just started out my Instagram account, I was posting every 2 hours from 8 in the morning until 8 at night. Every 2 hours. And then I gradually changed it from every 2 hours to every 3 hours between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Guys, this is what I'm talking about when I say consistency, mental health. You understand? This is what I'm talking about. And discipline to keep it going no matter what. I mean, you could post like 3 or 4 times a day, but I'm just saying my growth was more substantial or greater due to the fact that I got my account in Instagram algorithm real quick because of my posting and stuff and how frequent I was posting. But that was just for the first 21 days. And then after you do your DM groups, you set up your SEO and you're posting. After that, your account start growing. Next thing you know, people are asking you, how much is it for a shout out? You set whatever price you want. It's either they take it or they leave it. Then they're going to be asking, hey, can you post my picture or do a story about me or whatnot? That's like banking, guys. And you can set your price at whatever you want. That's your price. They can either take it or leave it. I'm sorry about that. Now, the bigger your account gets now, your prices are increased. So the bigger you get, the more it costs because you're a huge account. And that's like putting their account out there to a lot of big account eyes. So that's just a snippet, of how you can actually bank off Instagram. If you're interested in finding out more about Instagram, leave me a message down below in the comment section and I'll be more than happy. If you want me to do a more in-depth video, I'm more than happy to do that. Just leave a comment down below and I will definitely do that. What else? If you haven't subscribed, ensure that you subscribe and you hit that bell, okay? Because you're missing out if you haven't. I'm telling you, and this is not even no joke. I'm telling you, you're missing out. So I'll have my Instagram link down below if you want to take a look at my Instagram page. I'll have my Facebook page if you want to connect on Facebook. Connect, guys, and let's have a party over there. I could even tell you more about Instagram on there if you wish. Send me a private message if you don't want to put your, if you don't want to do it in the comments down below. And hit my link, guys. My affiliate link is down below also. That's where I learned my strategy for Instagram. They also have Facebook and they also have YouTube. So you can learn many different medias where you can actually make money from. So Remember, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell. Send this link to a friend. You never know what they might learn from this. Or a friend that's interested in making money online. Send this link over to them. Hit my affiliate link and learn how to use YouTube. Learn how to use Facebook if Instagram is not your thing. You can learn how to make money and a variety of social medias out there. Okay? So until next time, guys, Khamoya checking out.